Hello mathematicians, it's Miss Armgard back with another instructional video. Today we're talking about using LCM and GCF, least common multiple, greatest common factor. So let's get into it. How do I know if I have a GCF or an LCM? We are looking at factors. We are looking at things that are smaller. So you're trying to take numbers and find the pieces. So for example, how many people we can invite. So you're arranging in rows and groups. You are trying to group things from a bigger number to a smaller number. So how is that different from an LCM? Well, remember, this is least common multiple. Multiple means a bigger number. So when you are doing your multiple, you're looking for things that are repeating over and over again, or if you're having to purchase multiple items to have enough. We're also talking about events that are going to reoccur. So let's look at this in a story problem, a word problem. So for this, the school is making sack lunches for students going on a field trip. They have 24 apple slices and 30 sticks of carrot. How many slices and sticks go in so that nothing is left over? We want to find out how many groups. So this is going to be a GCF problem. We're trying to break it down because we are regrouping or we are making smaller groups. We are trying to figure out how many pieces we can do in each. We are going to do our math problem. So we know that we have 24 and 30. We're going to use the cake method because we can do common factors at the same time. So the first one, both of them share 2 as a factor. So when you divide both by 2, you get 12 and 15. Oh, look, they share another common. You can divide by 3, and you are going to get 4 and 5, because 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15. So any of these common factors, so the 2 and the 3, we are going to multiply that together to get 6 bags, because that's what they have in common for this greatest common factor problem. Now, what's left is the 24 was the apple, right? A, and the 30 was the carrot. So these numbers, these factors that are left, are the number per bag. So we have 6 bags. There are going to be 5 carrot sticks and 4 apple slices. So I think you can guess we are going to talk about least common multiple. We have a bag of hot dogs. A bag of hot dog buns has 12, and hot dogs have 8 hot dogs, the package. The classic problem, why do they not come in the same? Well, that's because they want you to do the math first. So we know this is a least common multiple problem because we are looking at how many we can buy. So we're trying to figure out how many packages, the multiple packages that we are going to need to buy. So we are going to do the least common multiple. Now, we are still going to do our prime factorization. We're just going to use it differently. So we're still using the cake method. Again, you could use the tree. So 12 and 8, one of their common factors is 2. That gives us 6 and 4. Oh, we got a 2 again. And that gives us 3 and 2. Now, we want to know how many of each. So, in order to find out the total number of things, you are going to multiply all of these factors together. So, the total number is 24 total pieces. So we're going to need 24 buns, and we're going to need 24 hot dogs. So then how many in each package? So we know we need 24 total pieces. We are actually going to switch which goes to which because we need to buy more packages of hot dogs. Each package only has 8. So we actually need to buy 3 packages of hot dogs. And we're going to buy 2 packs of buns. Because 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 8 is 24. So what we're doing is we're making sure that we have the 24 total pieces, and then these factors that are not common, we are then going to multiply them by the other factor. So 3 times 8, 2 times 12. All right, folks. All that's left are your definitions. It is your job to fill in an example that makes sense to you. Could be your own example, could be from the video. And until next time, I'm Miss Armgart. Happy solving.